What is up? Back again with another video about putting shit on this here Honda Rebel that I'm bobbing out. So today, it's probably gonna be a pretty short video, but I got the seat in. I don't know how good you guys can see it because it's pretty dark outside, so this room has shit for lighting. But here's the seat. It's like a leather unit. It came with two different kinds of springs, and then this is pretty much all that bolts it down. So I'm going to unwrap this, and I still got the bolt kind of threaded into the tank here. Just got to take that out real quick, and then I can put the seat on. So I'm going to go ahead and get that stuff out, and then I'll come back to the camera. Alright, so the sleeve that goes down into this rubber unit that is on here, it's like a collar, does not fit in that hole for for the seat to actually mount to. So I'm just going to take this bad lad and drill it out so that collar will the collar will fit right down in there. So I'm going to just kind of grab a drill bit and just kind of start boring it out. Alright, I got the springs on the seat. I decided to go with the chrome ones because the bike has just a little bit of chrome, so it kind of just tie everything in together. Literally all you gotta do is take the nut and the little washer that comes on these posts, pop them off, put the spring back on there, and then put the shit back on and tighten it down. So now I'm just gonna take these two and put them on the bracket that I got on there. And I didn't even think about this. Instead of drilling that out, I just put it on top of that sleeve. So you shouldn't have to drill it out. I just thought it'd sit better, like more flush. There wouldn't be like a little bit of a gap there, but I figured fuck it, whatever. Budget, get it done quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this on, see what it looks like, and I'm probably gonna have to weld up some little like spots so it sits on the spring flat, and then I'll just put a little like a bolt or something on the inside just to kind of make it a little bit sturdier, I guess. Well, that's it with the seat on. These are the plates I was telling you about I'm gonna have to weld. I'm just gonna do like a flat plate. Here, let me get around this way. I'm just gonna do like a flat plate coming off this bastard here. And then I'll probably have like a bolt or something going up in it just to hold these kind of in place. Because like if it hits like a bump, that spring's just gonna fucking spread off to the side. So I'll do that on both sides. But that's what she looks like with the pan seat on her. I think it looks pretty badass. I got this off Amazon for 50 bucks, I think. And then the bolts on the inside are 13 mil. Everything's pretty self-explainable about putting one of these on. But if this video helped in any way, I guess leave a thumbs up, drop your comments below. I'll reply to them. If you want to follow the rest of this build, even though there's not a whole lot left, I still got to put the handlebars on. Or not the handlebars, the grips once they come in. This one's just kind of sitting on there. I got to do front turn signals. You can see the wires hanging off there. Rear turn signals. I still got to tuck the wires for the tail light. And yeah, there's not a whole lot left. I got to put the other spring on. Because it's not on there. I got to get a washer. I got to get one for this side. This side's only on there so I could kind of keep working on it. But if you want to see how I did everything else to this bike, check out some of my other videos. I got a couple of them where I was tearing it down and painting it. They're listed under budget bobber build because I did try to do this as cheap as possible. Yeah, and then I just got like a video about the headlight and the handlebars and shit. You'll see all that. But yeah, if you want to follow all the rest of this build and any other build, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, usually videos every single day. Just kidding, not really. But videos every Thursday and Sunday usually, unless some shit comes up. But until next time, I am out.